Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I'm out here doing something today that you guys might be interested in, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video and explain to you guys what I'm doing. I am making a black walnut tincture. And if you don't know anything about black walnuts are a highly medicinal plant. The whole tree has different medicinal uses, but in particular, the hulls of the black walnuts are basically a natural source of iodine. I guess that's the easiest way to put it. And to make a tincture of these, all you do is you crush these hulls, take the nut out, and then you collect these hulls and you basically soak them in vodka, and that is how you make your black walnut tincture and your homemade iodine. Now, I don't have to tell you guys all the different medicinal uses of iodine. There's a bunch of different medicinal uses for it, and with things that are going on in the news today and current events, different iodine products are in high demand. Now, I'm not going to tell you exactly what that is. I'm going to let you guys look that up for yourself, but I am going to give you a keyword here and a place to start: think Chernobyl. And what happens is when you crush up those hulls and you put them in a mason jar and you cover them with vodka, and I'm just using Stoli here like I always use for all my medicinal things, you're going to get a concoction that looks like this. And this particular concoction right here, I'm going to let set for probably about, I'd say, at least a month. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some cheesecloth and I'm going to strain this out, collect that liquid, and then that's actually my homemade iodine or homemade black walnut tincture. See if I can't open this here. And that's basically what the inside of that looks like there. I basically just took those hulls, pounded them up, put them down in this jar, and then covered them up so they soak up with that vodka. And actually, when you smell this, this smells exactly like a bottle of iodine or betadine that you would buy at the store. It's got a really particular odor to it, and this smells exactly like that. And this is only a couple hours old here from what I've been working on. So this guy right here is going to go up in my apothecary cabinet for a month, and then we're going to strain it. And all I did to crush the hulls was just took my little mallet here. I got a piece of paper down here on the workbench, and I just press down on it. I don't hit it or anything because, of course, I want to save the nuts. These nuts have nutritional value, so of course I want to save these guys, and I did a video on that last year on how to take the hulls off of these guys, dry them, and then put them up for the winter. But anyway, just a quick video here to show you guys how to go about using a black walnut tree if you happen to have one in your area. It is fall time, so these guys for us are literally all over the place. So just taking advantage of this local resource here to make something medicinal, and just get it out there that there's other uses for this, even modern uses with what's going on today. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information, a little entertainment out of this video. Give you guys something to look up and explore for yourself. Anyway, you guys take care.